help. My name is Raimond. I'm a leader of Latvian men's group, St. Joseph International, and my friend Raitis will translate. Mēs tiekamies no 2011. gada. Tas jau ir 13 gadi, kā būs.
Actually, our men's group in Latvia, yesterday we celebrated 13-year anniversary.
Un pašā sākumā jau mēs nosprauduši bijām tādu mērķi, kad mūsu tikšanās būs katru trešdienu, un nekādas atlaides nebūs nevienam, jo Dievam arī nav brīvdienu, tātad mums arī jātiekās.
In the beginning, we set some target that we have to meet every week and every Wednesday, because also God don't have some weekends. Therefore, we also have to meet every week without any arguments.
Un mūsu tikšanās ir bijušas dažādas, ir dažāda veida programmas. Mēs esam mēģinājuši slavēšana, dievvvārdu lasīšana, palīdzības sniegšana dažādiem ļaudīm ārpus vīru grupas.
In our programs, we practicing different kind of activities, helping to other people, coming together, sharing different thoughts.
Kā arī aktivitātes arī dažādos laikos, dažādos gados ir bijušas ļoti krasi atšķirīgas. Ir bijis, kad mums nāca 20, 30 cilvēku uz tikšanos, un ir arī bijis laiks, kad atnāca 2, 3.
Yeah, and actually year by year activity in our men's group in Riga and Latvia also changes in terms of number. Sometimes men's are coming like 20, 30 and sometimes only 3.
Man ir arī tāda sajūta, kad jūs jau visu zinat po mums, jo mēs jau esam arī vairākas reizes braukuši uz Poliju, uz rekolekcijām, un kad es tikai atkārtojos.
Raimond says that he has a feeling that, and he's sure that God knows everything about us, and there we had experience that we visited several times Poland.
Jā, bet es gribu pieskarties šim laikam, kas tagad ir pēc Covida, ka tas vīru grupai arī radīja dažādas pārmaiņas.
But of course, a special time was after the COVID, because it creates additional difficulties for the men's group.
Jā, un grūti pēc šī laika bija restartēties, kaut arī mēs turpinājām Covid laikā tikšanos pagrīdē.
Nevertheless, in the COVID period, we still meet each other. It was maybe not officially allowed in the state, but we still did it. And of course, after the COVID, it was some kind of difficulties to come back in the same big number.
Jā, bet šobrīd es gribētu teikt to, ka mēs esam vīriem šī grupa kā tāds atbalsta punkts, patvērums, kur vīri var atnākt, un kas arī nāk ar saviem bēdām, problēmām.
Yeah, and Raimond is sharing that the idea that the men's group in what we have, this is a safe place for the man, where man can come with their own problem, with daily struggles, and we can share in this man group.
Kā jau es minēju, ka mēs visu laiku mainām kaut ko, mēs klausamies Dievu, un kur viņš mūs ved, mēs mēģinam arī virzīt šo Svētā Jāzepa vīru laivu uz to pusi, uz kuru Dievs mūs pagriež. Un tāpēc šobrīd mums ir tāda aktuāla tēma visiem vīriem, kad jūs visi arī Polijā un citās valstīs vīri ir ļoti aizņemti darbos un skrejoši vīri.
Yeah, okay. And of course, there's very important that all men are very busy on a daily basis.
Un līdz ar to, ja mēs esam skrienoši, mēs paskrienam garām arī Dievam. Ja mēs esam skrienoši, mēs arī paskrienam garām Dievam.
If we are very busy, if we are running all the time, we can we can miss the meeting with the God as well.
Tāpēc mūsu galvenais uzdevums tagad katru trešdienu ir saskatīt savā iepriekšējā nedēļā Dieva darbus.
Therefore, our main target in a men's group that every week when we are meeting, then we are sharing God's job in our lives.
Nu, kā tas izrādās, tas ir ļoti grūts darbs. Jo apstāties, ieklausīties, paskatīties apkārt un saskatīt Dieva darbus mūsu dzīvē, tas ir ļoti smags darbs.
And what we found out that sometimes it's very difficult to find God's job and touches in every week time. It is difficult to recognize it, but when you're starting to recognize, then you have a lot of things to share in a men's group every week.
Nu, šobrīd šis mums ir uzdevums numur 1. Vīriem saņemties un apstāties un redzēt, kā Dievs darbojās viņu dzīvēs.
And right now this is kind of task number 1, that just to stop for a while from the daily duties and recognize those God jobs, what God is doing for us every day.
Un šīs ir 2 lietas mūsu iknedēļas tikšanās. Pirmā galvenā, protams, ir Dieva vārda lasīšana un dalīšanās par to, kā Dieva vārds uzrunā katru vīru šajā tikšanas brīdī. Un otrs ir šī Dieva darba atpazīšana savā dzīvē. Nevis kaut kad 20, 10 vai 50 gadus atpakaļ, bet tieši par šo konkrēto nedēļu.
Yeah, and actually very practically what we are doing every week, we are coming together, we are sharing the Holy Bible stories, the God's stories, and we are sharing the God's job, what we recognize in the last week, not 20 years ago, not 10 years ago, but in the past week, in the last week, let's say.
Bet arī šajās rekolekcijās es saņēmu jau instrukcijas, kā šo grupu pagriezt tā kā mazliet citā kvalitātē, citā virzienā, pacelt latiņu augstāk.
But already in this recollection, in those meetings, in those days, Raimons received the new ideas and spirit how to change and how to improve our men's group work.
Jā, un es jau nevaru sagaidīt vairs kā doties mājās un jau to visu saņemt, to sākt īstenot dzīvē.
And Raimons cannot wait the moment when he will come back to the homeland and will start to do new things in our men's group as well.
Un tagad es palūkšu manu draugu Raiti, kurš ir pievienojies mūsu vīru grupai, lai sniedz liecību par skatu no savas puses uz vīru grupu, kas viņu uzrunā un ko viņš ir piedzīvojis.
And Raimons invited me to share a little bit my personal opinion about my story, how I became as a member of the men's group. And thanks, Raimond, for the inviting and giving word. And actually, I would say that I'm a new member in men's group. I'm just last year in December, beginning of December. My first meeting with the men's group in Riga. And as usually we know, mostly the situation is the same, that when we are hit in life, hardly, in some way, then we find the God, the way to God. And thanks to very small video, what Raimons did in YouTube, where he explained about men's group, what's the mission, what they are doing, what they're sharing. I saw this video and I decided immediately I have to call to Raimons and to say I would like to join the group and I would like to be one of the members. I would like to change my life. I had personal life, some challenges in relations in my family, and of course this is always painful. This is always hard, and therefore I'm very glad that I met the men's group. I met especially Joseph men's group. I'm much closer to the God, and we can share the same thoughts, the same pain, the same challenges with other God men's. So and also I would like to mention that this visit to Rome and my way to Rome is very special because we meet in the men's group, but also Rome is special city. This is historic city. This is Catholic capital. And also in my profession, I'm working with Roman mortar. Roman mortar, it means it's lime together with volcanic ash. All monuments, old monuments, very old monuments, what we see in Rome, we see with Roman mortar. This is very interesting. It means this is spiritual visit, and this is also very practical and interesting visit. Therefore, God bless us, and thank you for attention.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you